He likes to go all the way under. And he comes up. Starting to sprinkle. Where's the elephant, Patrick? Where's the elephants? Wow. I want to see that big guy come up. That looks like fun. Come on, buddy.
Looks like they might be moving on. That's the big old bull. Funny, there's something that big.
I know. Come on up, I want to see. Come all the way up. Oh, there he is.
Yes, every 5 minutes she has to record what she's doing.
But then how can he get out?
Because they don't know for sure when, you know, the moment happens, and it's 24 months. So it could be today